We continue to crochet a little dog, and now let's make the head. We make a magic loop and 6 single crochets into it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Pull the thread and make a slip stitch and a chain in the first loop of the round. In the second round, we make 6 increases, 2 single crochets in each loop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. A slip stitch and a chain. In the third round, we make increase and 1 single crochet in the next loop and repeat. Increase, 1 single crochet, increase, 1 single crochet, and go on. In the next round, we make 2 single crochets and increase in the third loop. 1, 2, increase, and repeat till the end of the round. In the next round, we make increase and 3 single crochets. 1, 2, 3. Increase, 1, 2, 3. Increase, 1, 2, 3, and go on. Now we have 30 loops in the round, and we make the next 2 rounds without changes for 30 single crochets in each round. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 29, 30, a slip stitch and a chain. In the next round, we make 6 increases with 4 single crochets between them. 1, 2, increase, 1, 2, 3, 4, increase, 1, 2, 3, 4, increase, and continue till the end of the round. And now we have 36 loops in the round, and we make the next 4 rounds without changes for 36 single crochets in each round. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 35, 36, a slip stitch, a chain. We've made 12 rounds, and in the next round we start to make decreases. In the 13th round we make 1 single crochet, another one in the next loop, and then decrease. One, 2, 3, 4, decrease. 1, 2, 3, 4, decrease, and go on. In the next round we make decrease, 1, 2, 3 single crochets, decrease, 1, 2, 3, decrease, 1, 2, 3, and continue till the end of the round. And in the last round we make 2 single crochets and decrease. 1, 2, decrease, 1, 2, decrease, and continue till the end of the round. In the end we make a slip stitch, a chain, and leave the long end of the thread to sew the head to the body. Now let's make the beak. Make the first loop and 6 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. A lift-on loop, and then we make 6 single crochets at this side, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 6 single crochet at this side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We start the second round in the first loop of the first round and make 12 single crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and one more round. 1, 2, 3, 4, 11, 12. A slip stitch, a chain, and leave the long end of the thread to sew the beak to the head. Now let's make 2 feathers. We make the first loop, one, 2, 3, 4, 5 chains. Then we make a slip stitch, a single crochet, a single crochet, and a slip stitch and a chain. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. A slip stitch, a single crochet, a single crochet, another one, and one more single crochet, a slip stitch in the last loop, and a chain. Then we sew the details. Then we fix the eyes and make white stripes. And now we can sew the head to the body. So our little bird is ready. I hope you've liked the tutorial and I'll be very glad to see the photos of your toys. Thank you for attention and have a nice day.